For which of the following input the output of the circuit is 0? So in the question la output la எந்த கேஸ்ல 0 நம்ம பார்க்கணும். இது ஒரு ஈஸியான question தான். Here the output is, here let us take it as A and X and Y put X, this is Y, output will be X plus Y. Here X plus Y, this is a NOR gate, X plus Y, here also X plus Y, here X plus Y plus X plus Y whole complement. Okay, we know the rule. That is break the line, change the sign. X plus Y complement dot X plus Y complement. 1.1 is 1. X plus Y complement plus X plus Y complement is X plus Y complement is the answer. This is the result. Okay. 1 plus 1.1 is 1. The same arkanaala, this will be the result of output. Okay. Let us see. Enna potta output varum paaru. 0, 0, 0, 0. Actually, this term is X is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Y is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. That there will be a complement 1. This is correct. Output of the output 0 what? But this is not possible. This is not possible. X is 0. 0 plus 1. Complement is 0. This will give you 0. What about this? This also will give 0. So this won't 1 plus 1. There will be a 1. Complement of 1 is 0. So this also correct. So BCD is correct.